CAD/CAM, short for Computer-Aided Design and Computer-Aided Manufacturing, is a powerful technology that revolutionizes the design and production processes. CAD focuses on the creation of detailed 2D and 3D models using specialized software, enabling engineers and designers to visualize, modify, and test their designs with ease. This software facilitates collaboration by allowing files to be shared among team members. CAM, on the other hand, takes these CAD models and translates them into instructions that machines and equipment in the manufacturing process can execute. This automation reduces manual intervention, saving time and improving accuracy. The integration of CAD and CAM creates a seamless workflow as design data can be directly transferred to manufacturing equipment. CAD/CAM offers numerous benefits, including time and cost savings, improved precision, better collaboration, the ability to create prototypes for testing, and customization to meet specific customer requirements. Its applications span diverse industries such as automotive, aerospace, architecture, electronics, and medical device manufacturing. In summary, CAD/CAM is a technology that optimizes product development and manufacturing, making it an indispensable tool in the world of engineering and production.